LTK is a place where I can share my findings, right? So I have a blog, a website, Beauty Professor, and that was my first foray into all of my content, and it will always be my passion to write thoroughly and in a detailed way. But LTK has been a great companion to that, and I feel like those features have only become more enhanced over the years, where I'm really able to be specific about the beauty products that I share with my readers, give them specificity in terms of color, and it's a beautiful companion to the content that I create, whether it's on my site, on Instagram, or on YouTube. So everything works together synergistically, and I appreciate that. And it also saves me time to be able to create those links that people are asking for. And I experiment. Sometimes I won't share a link. I'll just talk about something, and 9 times out of 10, there will be people DMing me right away, like, where is the link? I need it. So I know it's something that people appreciate, and in my goal to be a resource for others, I feel like this is an excellent tool to help me do that effectively.